Oh, just got to the shop here. Keys upside down. No kittens at the door? What? Why is there... What are you doing up there? What did you do? What the... Let us see what is going on.
Yeah, I kind of made a mistake.
Wow.
I put a hole in the floor.
That happens to the best of us.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't feel so bad.
Is that a phone ringing?
That was my phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
You better not jump down there.
No, he's not. Oh, he might roll into it. Just rolls over.
Can you imagine? Yeah, you're just petting him. He's having the time of his life. He flips over into the hole. Oh gosh.
Okay. Yeah. So here, I'll show you what I did. So originally, what I was going to do, you can see. First, I was going to drill a hole there, and I was going to run all the way across over into...
let's see if I can see that.
Yeah. So first, I was going to drill a hole there and run it all the way across over into the little crawl space back there.
Oh, yeah.
That didn't exactly work out because I found out that there's a couple studs that go crossways in the middle of this because of the tile and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So I decided to drill another hole there because I thought maybe it wouldn't be the same. No, sure enough. There's studs going the other way too.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, then I gave up on that because I accidentally cut a hole in a PEX line back there and water went everywhere. And I kind of freaked out. And I just freaked out right on running. I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm just jumping across here. And then I think it was my left foot. My left foot slipped. Sure enough, like lose my and I go right through here. I'm like, oh god.
Oh no!
No.
Not the ceiling!
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
crap.
Now we got some drywalling to do, but yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah, it won't be that big of a job anyways. We'll just cut a small chunk out.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be fine.
Just a little square.
Little square there. Anyways, but the PEX lines, I mean, I've got it like to the point where...
Ran him through there. He's got him...
Yeah,
Something's going on. Something else is going.
Well, I gave up on that other idea of running the PEX lines from the back room there.
Okay, I thought you just about slipped and put another hole.
No, I gave up on that, so I'm just basically going to run PEX lines right in the bathroom here, right before these valves for the sink, and just tee them into these lines here.
Ah.
And then I don't know why I didn't do that before. Wow.
Well, you know, you gotta try a few things before you figure out that you didn't do it the easiest way.
I have a bit of an idea. If you want to check this out here, I've got a bit of an idea on how I want to cover up all of this stuff. Because before, Bjorn and Ellen just had this right there, right?
Yeah.
But you can't really do much with that. So what I want to do is just build like a thin little vanity that runs along the side here.
Okay.
And then across over here too, and I'll just move the toilet paper roll out closer to the toilet.
Yeah, and because that's
Yeah,
kind of extremely far to reach while you're having a poo.
Yeah, well, and look, then you can have like your toothbrushes and all your stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
You'd have little cabinets on here, like.
Because really, all we have is this, and it's toothbrush holder with whatever
Soap or something,
yeah,
or
whatever it would be, right?
Yeah, like. Plus, like, if you get any children or something in here, how are they supposed to reach the toilet paper? They fall off the toilet, right? So at least if we have a little vanity in here, we can move this forward.
Yeah, even
me, like, I can't even reach it right now.
A grown man can't reach the toilet paper, can't reach the TP.
I don't know about grown, but yeah. I don't know about man either.
We're grown.
I put a hole in the ceiling.
We're large children.
I've lost a lot of manliness from that. But I'm going to turn on this light here. So
yes. Yep.
Well, that was real effective.
Is that still plugged in?
Yeah, or no, it's not. Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, baby.
So now you can kind of see what the plan is. I made some big cuts.
Uh-oh. What did I lose there?
That was just
Oh,
a
just
bit. Yeah. So I made some big cuts first on the outer layer of plywood, or whatever this is, that whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Because then it'll fit right back on over top of this hole.
Ooh,
right?
yeah. Simple.
Perfect. I can
Very
just
simple.
Drill it back down again.
Yeah.
Fine. And then the rest of the pieces we can just cut out. We got up to about here. Just got to make the turn, and then it can come up.
Oh,
And then I can put 2 valves right there.
Because if you guys don't know, we're going to do a little mini bar here.
Little mini bar with a little sink. I found some little, what are they called? The spigots or something?
I don't want to... I'm going to step on stuff.
Yeah, I think they're called the little spigots or something for a beer keg. Like they've got.
Yeah.
Yeah. I found a couple of those online. I was thinking maybe we could put like 1 or 2 there in case we wanted to put beer keg underneath.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
That would be really cool.
And then it'd be really nice if once we got the deck going here, we can go outside and like have a little outdoor barbecue or something.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Heck yeah,
It'd be a nice
dude.
little place to entertain people up here.
Exactly. Because
So-
we would like to have company over one day.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
That would be really cool.
Invite all the boys.
Yeah. Have a... Oh, I don't want to stab myself. Have a nice little actual housewarming party.
Yeah.
Once it's all finished.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I was also thinking too, like later down the line, if we ever did want to, you can see how far that wall is pushed back in there. We could literally just do that all the way across. Like this whole piece that's really close here.
Yeah.
Eventually we could just push that all out the same way they did that.
Yeah.
Then we'd have way more room up here too.
So much more room. Because, yeah, that's 5 feet right there.
Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Like that's something for way down the line if we wanted to upgrade this place. Or
Yeah.
something.
Fairly big project, but nothing
Yeah.
that can't be done. Yeah.
So I think we'll get done the PEX today for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe even hook it up and get some water going.
Yeah. See what we can do.
Yeah. Lotus is gonna help us too.
Lotus
Pretty
is
good
like A1 helper.
Yeah.
He...
Okay.
Get over here.
What, you here for the pets and you're gone for the work or what?
Yeah, come on now. Get out of here.
All right.
All right, well, we're going to get to work and we'll
We'll show you what we come up with. when
Yeah,
we're-
we'll do a little update once we're done here. All right? What are we doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Well, I mean, we got the PEX lines run. We got the water turned back on.
Yeah, we got...
Started covering up some of the PEX lines there.
Yeah.
And
This is going to be for our mini bar.
yeah, check this out. Here, check this out.
Jesus. Holy. Just missed the camera.
Now, I don't want the cats to play with this and possibly open that up, so we're just gonna do this for now, just to keep these valves shut.
Yeah, let's not risk anything.
Yeah, until we have the flooring in and cabinets here, we're just gonna keep this covered up.
Yeah, the last thing we want to do is flood the entire friggin' building.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
While we're at work or something, the cats open it up and then
Yeah.
it's here for 6 hours and just like
Oh my-
water out.
Oh, that would be so bad. That would be so bad. But yes. So we tied in over here. Ran the lines down there. Out there. Down over here. And through all of this stuff. We're just starting to get it back together.
Yeah.
Taping those bad boys off.
Just so the cats don't
completely
flood the entire house. Yeah.
screw us
Destroy
over.
all of the
Yeah.
drywall, everything.
Literally just completely erase everything we've done. Because we have to redo everything.
Come with me.
Come with me.
Let me show you. Let me show you this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's
Do a little reveal of the nice flooring we're gonna put in.
ta-da. Look at that. Woohoo.
It's very nice. I love it.
Baby.
It's got a texture to it, and it's only this thick. It's plastic.
But it's got
It's got a layer
lining
underneath it.
down underneath it.
Yeah, so we don't have to run our own. Exactly.
Perfect.
We have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna make this work.
Yeah, we're basically learning with you guys.
Yeah.
Well, I am. He knows electrical and
I know a little
basic
bit about
stuff.
everything, but
Yeah.
I'm not
He's
a
just
professional by any means.
kind of a jack of all trades.
Yeah, that's the kind of jack I am. Yeah.
I didn't know you were Jack. I thought
Well, I'm
you were
jacked.
You're just strongman competition.
Yeah, so I think this board here. Come into the light with me.
Yeah, agreed.
Check that out. Like it's like a semi-gloss. It's got a nice texture to it.
Yeah, and it's got the texture on it.
Yeah.
See if we can kind of see that in the light-ish.
Kind of. Yeah.
No,
it's-
you definitely can't.
Well, it's-
Not on the camera, but
It's supposed to be like a sort of a barn board.
yeah, and it's not flat.
And if you see, it's got purposefully put little marks in here. It's kind of like ripped jeans.
Yeah.
Like they make it look like it's what's the word for that?
Worn.
Well, yeah, like a worn wood kind of.
So that's actually like a mark in it?
Yeah, like they actually purposely put those
Okay,
in just
yeah.
to make it look like it's been here for a while.
Yeah.
Which I think is
Like it
pretty
was
cool.
been stapled through or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
This-
really cool.
This mark here says 1111, so make a wish.
Make a wish, everybody.
1111.
Okay. Ready? You got your wish?
Yeah, I got mine.
All right. I'm gonna count down. I was gonna count down and then count up.
Yeah, we're gonna make a
Okay.
wish. Wish on the board.
Wish on the board, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Make a wish.
Mine came true.
Yeah, mine came true too. You want to know what my wish was?
No, I don't know if you should say it because it won't come true. But if it already is true.
Oh yeah. I just won't say anything. I'll keep it to myself.
You know what? My wish came true. I have Padme.
We have 2 beautiful shop kittens.
Yes.
It's good kitty. It's very good kitty. Nice and soft.
Hey guys, welcome back.
We are cutting a door.
Cutting a door in half.
Not now.
Well, it's totally in half.